And so interesting thing about the 12s, they're one of the first models that compartmentalize the SIM tray. That component used to be soldered to the motherboard. Now it is its own individual component, which is really helpful as a technician, because when you have a defective SIM tray, then you don't have to micro solder that guy back on, which is again pretty helpful. Alright, so we got that out. We will, gives us access to our Taptic engine here.